Dear friends, I have great statistics for you today. 1,200 baptisms, 150 to 200 weddings, and probably 800 funerals. What kind of statistics are those, you ask? My statistics. As best as I can calculate, I've been a priest for 13 years. And so often I've been asked, well, Father, you give up so much. And it's true, we sacrifice. I gave up the potential for marrying and having biological children and a career. But at the same time, being a priest is such a blessing and a privilege to be a part in so many lives. As I started by saying, I've been trying to figure out how many baptisms I've celebrated all these years I've been a priest. I'm probably up near somewhere in the 1,200 range. I used to baptize many, many children, and what a joy to be a part of so many people's lives and to help these little ones, you might say, begin their life in Christ. Whether it be the weddings or being present to families at that moment of death and to bury a loved one. One of the great things about being a priest is you become a spiritual father. You become a person who's present in the lives of all so many faithful, whether it be at the beginning of life, at the end, at the key moments of life, or just to when someone is returning to the faith. To be a priest is to be blessed with a spiritual fatherhood and to be present in so many people's lives that, yes, we sacrifice much, and at the same time we gain so much more back. At the same time, people often speak that, well, Father, you do so much for the parish, you do so much for us, and yet they don't realize how much we receive in return. It's such a blessing to serve people as their priest, and it changes me. I think about now my journey through the priesthood, and I've been changed by the people I've served in the parishes in which I've served, so much that I sometimes frankly wonder if I'm getting more out of it than they are. It's such a blessing to be a priest. And if you like those statistics, I would encourage you, if you're a young man, consider being a priest. If you're a mother or father, encourage your sons and your grandsons to be a priest. Encourage your nephews, your friends to be priests. Because the statistics are rather astounding, and frankly, I've got a few more years to go. Young man, I encourage you, be a priest, if God calls you, because the statistics are amazing.